In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create discount codes in Squarespace. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you want to go to the Squarespace website and log into your account. If you usually access Squarespace with Google, go ahead and choose the Continue with Google option for a seamless login experience. Once you're successfully signed in, you'll see your list of websites. Simply click on the website where you wish to add the discount code. This will bring you to your site's dashboard. From your dashboard, your next step is to navigate to the Products and Services tab. This is where you'll find various tools and options that can help enhance your site's offerings. We're focusing on adding a discount code, so click over to the Commerce menu and choose discounts from the options presented. Once you've landed on the discounts page, you're ready to create a new discount. Look for the button that says Add Discount and click on it. At this point, you have a few different types of discounts you can choose from. Think carefully about the type of discount that will best suit your marketing strategy and attract your customers, whether it's a percentage off, a fixed amount, or perhaps a special offer like free shipping. Once you've decided, you can select the appropriate discount type from the options available. Next, you'll need to add the details. This is a crucial step where you input important information about your discount. Make sure to fill out these details accurately to avoid any confusion for your customers. Once the details are set, it's time to decide on the trigger for your discount. The trigger might be something like spending a certain amount, or it could be linked to a promotional code, whatever fits best with your strategy. Now, you'll configure the offer itself. Decide what you're giving away or reducing in price and make sure that it aligns with your business goals. While you're at it, don't forget to specify the rules and limitations. This could include conditions like the discount only being applicable to certain products or categories. Setting these rules helps keep everything clear for both you and your customers. Another important aspect of setting up your discount is choosing the start and expiry dates. Decide on these dates based on your sales calendar, perhaps aligning with holidays or special events. This will ensure your discount is active exactly when you need it to be. Finally, after setting everything up, it's important to review your choices to ensure everything is correctly configured. When you're satisfied with your setup, simply hit Save to activate your discount. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully created a discount code in Squarespace, ready to entice your customers and boost your sales. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!